Okay, welcome back to this channel, guys. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, click on the notification bell icon, like, share. You can also make your comments. I definitely would love to watch out for it. So, we will be looking at gold for this week, right? We actually had a massive movement. I mean, take a look at this last week, right? This massive movement was due to the fundamental aspect of gold. We all know that when there's an uncertainty, let's go to the fundamental aspects. When there's an uncertainty in the market, when people are not really sure, they tend to go to safe haven, currency or whatever you want to call it. And one of those safe haven currency is gold, right? So basically, we saw it on Monday, especially gold gave us a bullish move on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And basically, throughout this week, it actually had massive bullish move on gold. Right, it was bound to happen. One of the reasons is the bank failure, where everybody are withdrawing their money. Of course, where are this money going? They are going to safe haven currency like this gold. So this is why gold gave us literally a bullish move. Are we going to continue this bullish move? The truth is that we are going to continue this bullish move on gold. Gold will continue to give us that bullish move. The only or until this crisis is being restored, maybe everybody is being assured, bank is no more failing and everything, the economy calms down a bit, maybe then we can start seeing a drop on gold. If not, I've just like to let you guys to know that gold will continue to give us more bullish move. So basically, this week that we are predicting for, I would be expecting a bullish move on gold also. But before that, a correction is very much likely to play out. So we need to be very, very careful, because that correction that will play out could be either a big one or a small one. It just depends on the news that will come out, right? We are not really sure of what will happen this week that we are trying to predict, the news, maybe for the fundamental aspect of, the problem in the economy has not been solved, right? It has not fully been solved, right? So there's still kind of like a speculation. So with that, we still expect some bullish move on gold. So with this, we will be expecting a correction on gold, but that correction could be a big one or could be a very small one. We could have a small correction, a little bit of a correction before gold we start going up, we start going bullish, or gold might give us a good amount of a drop. We are very much likely to see a good amount of a drop. That is why I'm saying we could have a small correction or a big one. Anyhow, gold will ended up giving us a bullish move. So the best time to enter this trade is wait for a correction. Honestly, do not just go and jump in because you see gold is going up. You don't want to lose. The best thing, just wait for a correction and go ahead and take your buy. Then you will be safe. Right, that is it. So this gold will be expecting a bullish move, but a correction is going to play out, which could be a big one, which could also be a small one. So this gold, let's see this week that we're predicting for, and in next week, let's see in 2 3 weeks time, let's see if this gold will actually hit a level of 2065. We are currently trading at 1988. That is on gold. So we will be expecting a bullish move. Let's see in 2 weeks and in 3 weeks time, we should hit a level of 2065. That is what I'm watching out for. So let's see what this forward time frame is literally saying. So you can see a bullish move, a little bit of a correction. You can see this bullish move, a little bit of a correction. So I will be expecting a correction that will come to hit this 10 period simple moving average or the 20 period simple moving average before I think of taking a buy on gold. That is how I'm planning to take this trade. You can choose to do the opposite. It is up to you. You can choose on how you enter your trade. You can go ahead and change the correction. It is up to you. But personally, if I'm to take this trade and if I'm to give an advice, I'll say we should wait for a correction. That correction should come into the 10 period simple moving average, possibly tap the 20 period simple moving average before we see that bullish move. At the same time, this correction could be a small one, it could be a big one. So watch out for it. Now, those that are yet to subscribe to my Patreon channel, make sure you actually check the link in the comment section. I'm going to put a link to this my Patreon channel, so you will become one of our Patreon subscribers. In this, you are going to get high probability trade. That is what I will be putting out. Trade that I believe we have 70 to 90% chance of winning. That is what I'll be putting out. So these are some of the pairs we will focus on. We are going to major on, which is Nasdaq 100, US 30, S&P 500, gold. We are going to major on these pairs, right? So If in case you are interested in any of this, gold, US 30, Nasdaq 100, S&P 500, and some setups that I'll be looking for, you can actually check in the comment section. Sign up, become one of our Patreon subscriber. I want you to actually give it a try for just a month. If after a month you can go ahead to keep your membership, or you can go ahead to cancel your membership. So the link to this channel is in the comment section.